Today we're installing a double din stereo touchscreen to the WRX. This is how we do it. Simple. All you need a screwdriver. So first of all, get this. Just pop it off. Put your fingers under there. Pop it off. Easy as that, really. And you can just pull it. There is wires attached to the cigarette lighter, and there's a light. You can unclip them and pull it off completely, but you don't really need to because you've got enough room. There's 2 screws either side of this plate. These need to come off, and then you just pop off. So let's do that. Make sure you don't lose the screws down in there because they'll probably be hard to pick up. So maybe use your fingers for the last bit to grab them. There's one down in there. Whoa, 2 out the way. Right, with them 2 out, all you do is just pop this out like this. You can see it moving, and then up here should pop out as well. There we go. I can feel that. There's a couple of clips up the top. You have to just slowly wiggle, and they should pop out as well. I don't want to snap this. Oh, boom. Okay, there's one. Hopefully nothing snapped. There's 2. Cool. So now we've got both out the way. Let's move some bits and bobs. There, right. I don't know if you can see that, but with the both plates off, now you've got 3 screws. So you've got this one, and then one all the way back there. This one, one all the way back there. So 3 either side. They all need to come out, and then the whole thing just slides out. So let's get them off, and I can show you how everything slides out. Okay, that's all 6 screws out. What I've done, I've left the 2 back ones in there. So hopefully I can pull it out, and they should slide out with it without dropping. Come on, baby. Yeet. Okay, we're good. We're a bit stuck. What are we stuck on? Okay, we're good. Now we can see where everything is. So we got this big clip here. Push down to release. We got the aerial cable. Just pull that one out. Come on. Does that just pull out? Yeah. Pulls out, and then I think the grounding wire is here. Push down to release. There we have it, all up. So this is an actual aftermarket single din anyway. We need to grab the brackets because we're going to use them brackets on the new stereo. But I need to go buy that new stereo right now. So let's go. Okay, so what I've done, so we can actually drive the car to the stereo shop, I've pulled these wires through there and clipped everything back together. I haven't screwed everything in, but hopefully I can drive it okay. Got the old aftermarket stereo there. We're going to take these bracket off when we get the new one. Put that down there for now. Let's drive to the shop, buy our double din touchscreen Apple Play super duper stereo, and then we'll fit it. Let's go. Look what we got, boys. Sony AX1000 Apple CarPlay. There's about $220 discount. I hope it fits. I mean, the box isn't very heavy. I hope it's got all the bits and bobs, but should we open it now and have a look? Let's see. Yeet. single din, but a double screen kind of thing, if you know what I mean. So it's got the same adapters, got everything, so we should be good. But a double screen, boy, I'm excited. Alright, let's get this thing home and carry on with the install. Let's go. And we're back, baby. Right, let's get on with this. So we need to take off the side brackets to the old radio, put them onto this, and then wire the thing up. Let's get to it. Okay, so 2 here, 2 there. Let's get them off. Left bracket, it says left hand. I'm guessing it stands for right hand. So that's one. The right hand one's got the little round clip as well. You can't forget. Right. Come on, baby. We got this. So they're off. Aftermarket stereo, which is not very good, can go over there. Let's get this guy out. So as I say, this is a single din, but I think double din, single din, they'll be the same install, so don't you worry about that. Let's sort this out. So right hand, cool, let's just screw it back together and then plug it all in. So I've got both brackets on. What I forgot to mention was the new stereo is probably going to have a bracket already on it, so I had to take that off. It was just 2 little clips before I could screw this on. I was wondering, why is there no holes? But the holes were hidden by the bracket already on it. So I've taken it off, put these 2 on. Let's wire it all back together and see if it fits. Okay, if you can see, they're good. Oh, first of all, let's pop all this stuff back off. You won't break it. Adapters that I had to use to be able to wire it all up, but simple enough. Can only fit in one way. So let's screw it back in. Okay. All 6 screws back in place. Looks like it might just fit over the top quite nicely. Let's see if we can clip it back. Ooh. Perfect. Look at that. Looks like it belongs there. Nice. Alright, let's get the bottom screws in. These 2. Put it all back together and switch it on. Boom. See if it turns on. Okay, let's see. Oh. Okay. Thanks, Sony. Oh. Nice. It's working. Is it touch? Not sure. What does this do? Oh. Alright. So we got tuner, Bluetooth audio, phone, USB, aux, rear camera, which I haven't got, and settings. Cool. Apple CarPlay compatible. I've never used Apple CarPlay, but I'm going to set it all up now. But yeah, that's all installed. and it looks really nice. Thanks for watching, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. I know it's not that informative, but it's an install vid. Try and keep it not that serious. Yeah, we should be all good. That Sony's a single DIN, but it's like a double DIN display, if that makes sense. So this install can be for double DIN and single DIN. I'm sure it works for both. There's more videos coming soon. We're getting a exhaust system coming through this week, so we can do an install video of that, and just keep you up to date with all the build. Thanks for watching, guys. Make sure you like, subscribe, comment. Appreciate it. Trying to get these videos better each time. I'm new to this YouTube thing, so let's see how it goes. Cheers.